In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a trending Gemini AI photo. Creating mesmerizing and popular images using AI is a great way to showcase your creativity and gather attention across social media platforms. Let's jump right in and guide you through this process step by step. To get started, first open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, simply type Google Gemini and press Enter. Doing this will bring up a list of search results related to Google's Gemini AI platform. Our goal is to navigate to the official Google Gemini website, so find the relevant link and click on it. This takes you to the home page where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Google Gemini website, look for a plus sign button. This button allows you to upload a photo from your device, which will serve as the basis for your new and exciting creation. Click on this plus sign, browse through your files, and select the image you'd like to transform using Gemini AI. With your image uploaded, the next task is to type in a prompt. This is where your creativity comes into play. The prompt is essentially a short descriptive text that instructs the AI on how to modify or enhance your image. Think of it as telling a story about what you envision your photo becoming. Type this prompt into the designated area on the website. Now, let's navigate to the Tools section. You should see a Tools option available on the platform. By clicking on this, you gain access to several options that further aid in transforming your photo. It's an essential step in refining your image and ensuring the final product matches your vision. After exploring the tools, proceed by clicking Create Images. This command initiates the AI processing, allowing Gemini to work its magic on your uploaded image using the prompt you supplied. Depending on your chosen options, this might take a moment, so be patient as the AI generates your new image. Finally, it's time to click Submit. This action finalizes your image processing, essentially confirming that you're satisfied with the settings, tools, and enhancements chosen. Once you click Submit, the AI will apply all the refined modifications and present you with the final image. This last aspect is what makes your photo worthy of trending status, enhancing your photo to set it apart. Take advantage of those special effects or finishes available in the Tools section that might make it stand out. And there you have it. Your image now combines the art of photography with the power of AI, ready to capture attention and become a part of trending conversations online. I hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring as you create your personalized Gemini AI photos. Thanks for watching, and enjoy transforming your images into something extraordinary.